Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to turn off subtitles in your Netflix account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In case you face any issues while logging in, we have created another video regarding that issue. Now let's say I want to play any video. Let's say I want to play this video right here. And right now I want to remove the subtitles. So let's begin. Right here at almost the bottom right section of the screen, here's a message like icon, simply hover over it. Something like this will open up right here. It will give you options like audio and subtitles. Right here I have selected the English audio, and on the right, as you can see, the subtitles are turned off. Normally the subtitles will be in English or any other language, but in case you want to turn it off, simply click on this off button right here and your subtitles will be turned off for this respective Netflix account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you turn off subtitles for any video in your Netflix account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.